YouTube is introducing a new monetization policy that could stop your earnings overnight. And if you're a YouTube creator in 2025, please pay close attention. From July 15, you might not be able to earn on YouTube if you don't revamp your channel. Yes, even if you already have your 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, if your videos are flagged as inauthentic, repetitive, or mass-produced, you could lose your access to monetization completely. In this video, I'm going to explain to you what's changing, and of course, the kind of content that is considered as safe and simple steps that you can take today to protect your channel. YouTube is bringing down channels that post what they call inauthentic or mass-produced content. So this simply means that videos that feel generic, repetitive, or low in quality. The kind of content that looks like it was made by a bot or even thrown together quickly just to fill up the space. So YouTube says they've noticed too many channels flooding the platform with slideshows, robot voices, stock footage compilations, and videos with almost no human creativity. Advertisers have complained, viewers have complained, and now YouTube is acting. YouTube Partner Program, July 2025, update on ads and sensitive categories. Okay, this is for those running ads. Okay, so let's go to updates to YouTube Partner Program YPP monetization policy. It says, in order to monetize as part of the YouTube Partner Program, YouTube has always required creators to upload original and authentic content. So on July 15, 2025, YouTube is updating our guidelines to better identify mass-produced and repetitious content. This update better reflects what inauthentic content looks like. Now you've read it, you've seen it. What YouTube wants, it's only but original and authentic content, and no more mass AI generated content, or those who are into YouTube automation, just letting AI do all the work for them. AI does the content, does the scheduling, does the posting, does everything. Here are the type of creators who should be worried. Channels that post AI generated slideshows with text or stock images, channels that post robotic voiceovers without adding any unique insights, channels that re-upload clips from movies, shows, or even other creators without permission or commentary, channels that post dozens of nearly identical videos with just little different in title or keywords. Even if you technically make the video yourself, if it feels generic or looks like everyone else's, YouTube might just flag it. But then let me just give you an example, okay? So if you upload a video that just says 10 best travel destinations and all you show is stock pictures of beaches with monotone AI voice listing names, that's exactly what YouTube is calling inauthentic. So, but if you upload a video where you talk about personal experiences visiting Lagos, Abuja, Europe, America, sharing real tips with your own voice, that is an authentic content and it is considered as safe. So what YouTube wants to see are content that clearly shows human touch, your personality, your voice, your opinion, videos that add value, you are explaining something, teaching, reviewing, reacting, or telling stories. Content that is unique to your channel, not just another recycled slideshow that could just come from anywhere. Videos that spark engagement, comments, likes, conversations. Now, another good example is a faceless channel can still be safe if you are using your own voice and adding meaningful explanations over stock footage. But a channel that uses robot voice, reading generic facts over the same 20 stock clips, that's risky. Now let's talk about what you should do today to protect your channel and your income. Number one is audit your videos. Watch some of your older videos with a fresh eye. Ask yourself, do these feel unique to me? Or if they feel generic, unlist them or start improving them. Number two is use your own voice. So even if you don't want to show your face, use your real voice whenever possible. Is one of the easiest ways to show originality. Rewrite AI scripts. It's fine to use AI to draft your ideas or guidelines, but don't just copy and paste. Rewrite the script to sound like you, add stories, examples, and even your own language. Vary your style. Don't rely on the same format over and over. I mean, you can try some different styles, maybe mix up tutorials, reviews, live sessions, or behind the scenes videos, okay? Then number five is prioritize quality over quantity. You don't need to upload every day. YouTube would rather see one good video in a week that people watch and enjoy than 10 generic ones. So if your channel is flagged as inauthentic content after July 15, YouTube can remove you from the partner program completely. So that means no ad, no membership, no super thanks, no nothing. And even if you fix it later, you have to apply again and wait weeks, maybe months before you can start earning. That's if they're going to allow you to start earning. If you're a new creator who hasn't monetized like me, this still applies to you. So if you're channel on bad habit like using AI voices and generic slideshows, we find it almost impossible to monetize later. So start now by building a channel that actually helps you people, entertain them, and feels human. So if you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more content on AI and digital marketing. Please do not forget to watch my next video where I'm going to be sharing how to use the right AI tools on YouTube without being demonetized. Okay, I would love to see you in the next one. Have a good day.